What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So we have the final of the Revell Foose F-100, and I gotta say, what incredible kit. This kit went together so well. I heard a bunch of humors out there saying this kit is wonderful, you have to build it, but I couldn't build it because, well, back then when this kit first came out, Revell stopped making it for some odd reason, and people were asking crazy money for it. And then Revell is making the kit again, so I'm gonna have to pick two up. So this version is my version, so let's show you guys what I did to it. But first off, stay tuned at the end of the video because I'm gonna have a little slideshow back there because this thing looks incredible in the photo booth. So stay tuned while I see the photo booth pictures. But other than that, let's get started. So first off, the body. You all know what I did to the body color. This is the Outclad gunmetal, which we're all familiar with the Outclad colors. Like here's the bottle, for instance. Put it back here. So looks familiar. They're famous for their metal colors: steel, aluminum, burnt iron, all that good stuff. So that looks very good. This is their gunmetal, and it does not look like gunmetal, which is quite odd. I've never seen a gunmetal look like midnight purple, midnight blue, black sometimes. So this thing looks incredible. The only part that makes it look like it's gunmetal is out in the sun. The sun is the only thing that makes it look like gunmetal, which is quite odd, but then again kind of funny. So gunmetal, they're Outclad, they're famous for airbrush, you know, for their metal colors and their candies. You all know I dealt with their candy colors before. You all know the candy orange, you know, that and candy orange, which is a truck or a car I built a couple months ago. So, but the gunmetal, this color, incredible. I didn't know it was going to be like this. I did not know it was going to be this dark. I thought it would be lighter than this, and I didn't know it was going to turn into different colors, which is actually pretty cool. So that's that. The wheels and tires, I went with a different wheel setup. A lot of you guys on my, actually a few of you guys on my last videos said the wheels are too small and stuff. Well, that's the look I was actually going for because I did a little slant on them, as you can tell. That's the first time I've done it, and since this truck has a crazy paint job on it, I wanted the wheels to be real crazy too, so I went a little bit smaller. These are 19-inch Iwashima VXS's 210. So they're 19-inch, and these things look incredible. I painted the lane in here black, just kind of break up the chrome a little bit, but I gotta say that really suits it. It looks so good. All of the chrome on here, besides the wheels, has been stripped. The bumper, the handles, and the rear mirror, and the gas forward cap, it's all been stripped, painted black, and it just looks incredible. The wheels just suit the truck. So I know you guys said the wheels are too small, but that's actually the look I was going for. I know they're small, but they look good on here, especially with this paint job. Such a crazy paint job, it needs some crazy wheels, so it really suits it. The interior is, y'all seen my interior on my last video. It's the Tamiya sky gray, or dark sky gray. Yeah, sky gray and dark gray. There we go. So that looks very good. I got my little dice in there. I make my own little dice. I get like a 50 pack of small dice and a bunch of different colors, and I just make them myself. You can buy them pre-made at hobby stores, at Mega Hobby and Hobby Link and stuff. But they're like $3 when they're pre-made, and you can get this whole pack on eBay for $3. So I made my own to save a little money, and you know I have plenty of them to do a bunch of model cars, and those dice look incredible on in this truck. So I really loved it. The chassis, it's Outclad dark aluminum, which looks good. The engine is aluminum also, and there's some black parts on there, so nothing too special there. The tailgate, I sand down the foose because this has foose on the tailgate, which is obviously not the foose truck. So I sanded it down, and I just found a Ford decal in my parts box. So and I went ahead and just stuck that on there, and it actually looks pretty good there. The grill and the roof is black just to break up the color a little bit. The bumpers, the front and back bumper is body color also, so that looks very good. So, but overall, what an incredible kit. This turned out amazing. My first time doing wheels like this, as they're slanted like that. My first time doing it, and I'm not too big of a fan of those kind of cars, you know, wheels slanted like that, but a little bit like this, just a little slant, I think they look perfect. I don't like them too crazy slant. I'm just not a fan of those cars for some whatever reason, but a little slant I can deal with. And on this truck, they look incredible. But that's pretty much about it. About this build. Overall, incredible kit. Pick one up if you can. Build it, and stay tuned at the end of the video. Here in a sec, you're going to see some pictures of it in the photo booth. But until my next video, guys, I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.